Good morning, Hatters. Welcome back to the 21-22 school year. It was great seeing everyone yesterday. What I would like to do right now is just take a few minutes of your time to review our HATS portal, which is called Flextime Manager. So on your desktop, I need everyone to locate the Flextime Manager icon. It should be right there on your desktop. It may look something very similar to this icon in the left-hand corner here. And when you click on that icon, it will ask you to verify your Microsoft credentials, which is basically how you log into your computer and Canvas and everything like that. Once you get on, you are going to hopefully see a screen that looks like this. If it does not look like this, you just want to click on My Schedule. And over here on the right-hand side, this is set to look at one day at a time. So this is one day on the student's roster. However, you have the option to do 4 days at a time, a week, or a month. I'm going to choose week. I like that view a little bit better. And I'm also going to choose next week, just so you can kind of get a better visual understanding of what this looks like. So our HATS portal is the system that Flextime Manager is a system that we use to allow our students to have movement throughout the building during HATS. If you would like to see a teacher for extra help, or if you would like to attend a club meeting, you would need to make those requests through this portal. We do not use paper passes or anything of that nature. So you have to use the portal. The expectation is that you will choose where you would like to go for HATS on any given day. You can choose to do that on a daily basis, or you can choose to make your elections on a weekly basis or a couple days at a time. It's totally up to you. If you do not sign up to go to another HATS teacher or to get support or to a club meeting, then you will automatically be defaulted into the HATS that you were assigned in PowerSchool. So whoever the teacher was and whatever periods it was, whatever classroom it was in, you'll automatically get pushed into that teacher's HATS activity. However, you will have the option to choose to go elsewhere. It's just that if you don't go anywhere else, you'll get pushed into that period. You will see that next week. That period will show up on your calendar next week, and it will be a solid color box, and it'll just say, 3A HATS. So that will be a solid color box, which means that you've been assigned to that activity for that period. You can only have one solid color box per HATS period per day. So you're automatically going to see that one, and it's going to be a filled in color. However, if you decide to choose to go somewhere else, that box would then no longer be on your calendar, and whatever the new activity that you chose would be the solid color box on your calendar. So let's talk about the solid colors and the required activities. If you take a look down the bottom here at the priority legend, the first 4 are required activities, meaning that if you see a solid color box in any one of these 4 colors, you must attend that session. You have no other choice. So that would be admin required, priority, plus add, or just required. You will not, if a teacher has assigned you at one of these priority levels, then you will not have the ability to pick anything else. You will be locked into that session. If you see the last 3 here are optional, advertise, and open. These 3 are what we call choice activities. So choice activities may or may not show up on your calendar for you. If you take a look at this student's calendar, there are boxes that are showing up that are outlined in that brown color, which means that they are optional. It's showing up on their calendar because this student has Miss Burley and Mrs. Gaffney as a classroom teacher, and that the teachers have put together these rosters and these activities for anybody in their classes so that students can request the teacher. So if you decide you need help in math, then you will see this on your calendar and you can just go ahead and sign up. However, Ms. Gaffney also has the ability to say, I know that this student needs help and I need to see them so they can come and finish work or finish a project or whatever. So Ms. Gaffney on her end would also have the ability to plus add you to this math help activity. And when she does that, it would then turn into a blue solid color box. But for now, it's just an option. So if you want to go see her, you have that option. You can click on any one of the boxes that are on the screen. I'm going to say, like, let's say Tuesday, I want to go during 3B. So I'm just going to click on this box right here, and now it turns into a solid color. So that means that that's where I'm going on Tuesday during 3B. You can also just take a look at this information button. If you click on that, it gives you a little bit more information, and you can join the activity there as well. Once you join the activity, you will also notice, I'm going to point out down here, the number of attendees, 1 out of 20. Previously, it was 0 out of 20. So when I signed up, that number increased. Just make sure that is the case. If I decide I don't want to go see Ms. Gaffney during that period, I can always just click on this box again, and then I'm no longer in there. And next week, like I said, the default HATS period will be here. So if you decide I don't want to go there to Ms. Gaffney anymore, I'm going to delete that request to go, the other solid box will appear and put you back into your assigned HATS period. Now, let's say that you don't see something on here, but you know that, let's say we know on Wednesday that yearbook is meeting. We can do join activity, and right in this search here, I can just type in the word yearbook, and when I do that, the options will show up here. I can click on here and get some information and say, yep, I want to join, and I just click this button to join the activity. Let's say we want to look something up by type, so category. Let's say we want to look up music. I want to go to orchestra or choir. I look up here and it's not showing up as anything happening on Wednesday. But I know that at some point during the week, there's a music activity happening. So if you're not finding what you're looking for here, we can close this out and you can always go to the directory. Under directory, if you click on this button here, it will give you drop downs and you can look up by activity type. You can search here. I can even search here. I could do music. Or, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to put music there. I meant to put orchestra. I can put orchestra here if I'm looking for orchestra, and the activity will show up, and then it'll tell you when they meet, what room, dates, and so on. So you can choose the activity from here as well. So let's go back to my schedule. And I'm going to go back to the week, and I'm going to go to next week so you can see my calendar again. Okay, so again, students will have the ability to choose where they would like to go. It is pretty basic. One thing that I do want to mention, I forgot to say already, is that there is a cutoff time. So students must make any elections to go to different teachers' rooms or different clubs 10 minutes prior to that HATS period beginning. So if 3A HATS starts at 10:15, students must choose where they want to go for 3A by 10:05. So my suggestion to you is that if you have 3A HATS, that you think about it the day before or maybe first thing in the morning, and you go ahead and make that selection as soon as possible. Okay, I think that's pretty much all that you need to know at this time. If you have any questions, I'm sure your teachers will be able to assist you with some basic functionality features here. And if you have any serious issues with the technology features within here, please feel free to reach out to myself, Mrs. Whalen, or any of the administrators or house principal, and I'm sure we'll be able to support you and get things figured out. So have a great weekend, Hatters. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to seeing you all on Monday, and look forward to you guys using this HATS portal every single day for all movement. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a great weekend.